Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Deepa. So today is day 40 of solving daily problems on Geeks for Geeks. Now let us see what today's problem is. So the problem is reverse bits, which was asked in Amazon, Cisco and three more companies. Now let us first read this problem and try to understand the problem. Okay, so given here the problem is given a number x and we have to reverse its binary form and return the answer in decimal form. So now let us first see what is a binary form and decimal form of a number. So generally the numbers which we use in our day-to-day life like 10, 5, 2 and any natural number is a decimal number. Okay, and binary number means the number like 2 and 5 and 10, how they can be represented in a binary form. A binary number is a collection of zeros and one, like 1 0 1 is the binary representation for 5, and similarly you can have the binary representation for 0 as 0 sorry 0 1 0, and similarly we can have a binary representation for 10 also. And how we convert from a decimal number to a binary number. So to convert a decimal number, let's say we have the decimal number as 10, or let's say we have the decimal number, a simple number 2. So if you want to calculate 2, first what you will do, you will keep on dividing the number by 2 only, because you have to convert in binary form and the base for binary form is 2, and we take the base for our decimal form as to be 10, because here we have the values from 0 to 9, and here we have only two values which are 0 comma 1. So if you want to convert given decimal number to binary number, you have to keep on dividing it with 2. So if you divide this number by 2, what you will get, you will get 1 and its remainder will be 0. And now again if you divide this number 1 by 2, you will get here 0 and your remainder will become 1. So to convert this into binary, what you will do, you will write it in the reverse order. So for 2, my binary will become 1 0, and you can write it like that. And similarly, if you calculate the binary for 10, let's say if 10 I have to calculate, and then first I will divide this number by 2. So if I divide it by 2, it will give me 5 and my remainder will be 0. Again, if we divide this 5, we'll get a remainder as 2 and my remainder will get 2 as quotient and 1 as remainder. Again, I divide this, I will get here 2, 1, 1 and my remainder will become here 0. Again, if I divide this, it will give me here, let's say if it will give me 0 and its remainder will be 1. So to get its binary representation, okay, it will become like this. I think we are missing something like 2 5 2 2, then 2 1 2 0 1 1 0 1. So binary representation for 5. Mm, okay, it's 101. If we take 2 5, then it will be 1 0 1 0. So this will be my binary representation for 10. So if we have to calculate now a binary number back to into a decimal number, okay, let me say this is my binary number. So what I have to do is I have to multiply the numbers starting from this 0 to the left hand side by increasing power of 2. So to convert it, with what we will do, we will multiply 2, we'll multiply 0 with 2 key power 0 at first, then we'll keep on increasing the power of 2 like 1 into 2 key power 1, and similarly we'll calculate for 0, 2 key power will increase, it will become 2. Now for the third number, it will be 1 to the power 3. Okay, so here you can see this part will become 0, this part will also become 0, and it will become 2 plus to the power 8, which will give us the output as 10. So now let us try to code this problem, and we will do it in C++ here. So now what we will do to store the binary representation, So first here what we will calculate, create a bit set, which will be, as mentioned in the question, that we have to get the 32-bit representation of a number. So I'll create a bit set here which will be of size 32, and I'll give it a name as binary bit because it will store the binary representation of x. Okay, so this will store my binary value of x. Now next what we will do, we have to also calculate the reverse. So let me declare another bit set will be 32, and let me give it a name as reverse. Now what we will do, we will simply traverse our first binary, which will be less than 32 I plus plus, and in every step I will store that value in my reverse. So my reverse of I, it will become my binary of size 31 minus I value. Okay, so it will store the reverse value, and to convert this reverse value into back into my long integer value, I will use another function, that I will use return my reverse value and convert it into, this is a predefined function which will convert this binary representation back into my number, and this will return the decimal value here. This will give me decimal value. And now let us run this code. See, you can see it is producing correct output. You can see that. Now let's just submit this. So it has passed all the test cases and we have completed today's problem of the day. I hope this video solution is clear to you. Please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get daily notification, and I will see you in the next video.